want to make Skipper Metzer as a pan-India based company immediately, and also it should be known as a creative, quality and cost-effective water management solution provider.
Metzer team is highly experienced team, and they got a very track record in installing and commissioning of production lines. Their lines are very sophisticated.
The line can produce very high-speed drip laterals with more than 1,500 dripper per minute.
Skipper is a trusted brand in India, a leading player in the transmission line business and polymer pipe business in India with pan-India operations and manufacturing locations all over India. Metzer's focus of research and development and bringing new products, new technologies will also immensely add value to this JV.
We can manufacture at Skipper Metzer India LLP various products like integral drip laterals, both cylindrical and flat. We also can manufacture plain laterals, HDB pipes and on-line drippers. Along with this, we can supply the complete micro-irrigation solutions like filters, valves, PVC pipes and all kind of fertilizer injectors along with the system.
Skipper Metzer will first focus on delivering its smart irrigation solutions. We also seek to operate in the space of integrated irrigation solutions, lift irrigation projects, pipe distribution network for offering solutions to the various government agencies, farmer producer groups, sugar factories, farmer cooperatives in India and the neighboring SAARC countries.
We want to see Skipper Metzer as one of the top 3 leading micro irrigation companies, and at the same time we want to develop newer areas and also exports to other SAARC countries with the help of Metzer.